Alright, now we're going to be installing the cooler. Again, bolts, washers, lock washer, already installed. Little cooler here. Install. Really don't want to use the impact on this, because I don't want to mess anything up. Alright, so what we got here? B. So that one should go all the way over to there. It's B. It should be. It's going to work. 4, 4. But I don't know if these will get in the way or not. There's got to be another one. What's that? That's a C. So I don't know where that one goes yet. B went to B. F. G. What's this? C. That's all that. That's a B and that's a D. C. Got a C. Ah, there was one spare. Apparently not spare. There's an A. There's a D. So A. Obviously, we go with A. Phew! Starting to break out in sweat. Holy moly. Man, that was scary feeling for a second. Not gonna lie. They've been so good, I'm like, there's no way. See, that is in there. See, I need to get that out of there. It's in the thing. That one over there is above it. Alright, so now where do these go? To each other. D, C. Alright. D, look at this, it's all coming together, Travis, just look around, holy moly, snake in a bit me. D, ooh, Nelly. Oops. C and C. 15 gallons of AW32. I think it says it takes 12 or 13, but I don't know if that included all the, I don't know if that includes all the cylinders being full and lines being full. You know what I mean? There's a lot of volume in these lines. Alright, tight, not tight, finger tight. Alright. Installed. Short of this, we gotta figure that out. I'll be back. Peace out, man.